What's going on, PAPAFAM? Before we get into this video, I want to go ahead and give you some amazing news. We are dropping the first ever Metaverse Web 3.0 PAPAFAM challenge. We're going to be building a real-time decentralized web app powered by REACT.JS, styled with Tailwind, and we're going to introduce some Web 3 tech. So we're going to have Morales, we're going to use MetaMask to go ahead and set up your first wallet and then allow you to authenticate your users with a crypto login. It's going to be so much fun. We have £12,000 worth of prizes and we have tons of freebies, including a JavaScript cheat sheet and a brand new Next.js handbook for everyone who attends. And on top of all of this, guys, we have partnered up with the guys over at Clouch to go ahead and give you your first ever cryptocurrency for free. So if you guys want to go ahead and join the Metaverse Web 3.0 challenge, first link in the description, sign up before the spaces run out. I'll see you there. Enjoy the video. Peace. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Papa React, and today we are going to celebrate the 100,000 subscriber milestone. We smashed it this year. We went from literally under 1,000 subscribers all the way up into 1,000. To celebrate 100,000 subscribers, we went ahead and bought a Tesla Model 3 with a React plate. So it's going to be a hell of a lot of fun. Hit the thumbs up button, enjoy the video. Let's go. Every developer needs a good cup of coffee, man. That's it. And if you didn't know, London just went into like sub-zero temperature. So it's been hot, kind of, well, I wouldn't say hot, but it's been decent weather. And then they finally dropped a delivery date for the Tesla, and then it's ice code. So we're gonna go de-ice the car now. And yeah, hopefully de-ice ourselves. And yeah, have some fun. Exciting, isn't it? Yeah. I said on the YouTube channel that like today we're gonna buy a Tesla with a React plate, because all my builds are like, let's build this with React, let's build that with React. It's the first personal vlog for the channel. How am I feeling about the car? I'm excited. Yeah, super excited. I don't know why I'm nervous. I think I just want it to be. Obviously, I had loads of quality control issues with Tesla, and then yeah, man, I'm super excited. That's it. And I'm really. I think something about being a techie and having a Tesla, it goes hand in hand. So there's the lovely Tesla. This is genuine excitement right now.
Wow, there's a lot of
Oh, here it is.
Now I understand what this car park. So
oh. So you guys all know me as Papa React, but I brought today my lovely Uncle React. So
how are you guys? So you're excited here?
Yeah. He's more excited than I am. So we're gonna have a lot of fun. And yeah, we're gonna put a speed boost on the car as well. So we're gonna test it all out and yeah, have a bit of fun. Let's go collect it.
There he is.
Come on, that inner child.
Right?
Wow. We are here today and we are finally picking up this beautiful car. Right now we're checking for panel gaps. Unfortunately, when you buy a Tesla, some of the gaps are usually off, but it looks okay so far. We're just checking it out. Yeah, when I first met Akshay, I'll link his description in detail if you want a videographer. Make sure you give him a shout, he's an awesome guy. But yeah, when I first met him, I didn't even have 1,000 subscribers, and it's just crazy because I said to Jay, I said like, we're going to build something massive, we're going to build a community of developers unlike there's been before, and it's just mind-blowing that in a year we've gone from things which I couldn't even imagine to going to like having a Tesla, having 100,000 plus subscribers, over 500 members in the community. It's huge, and yeah, it's crazy. Even to this right now, you know, like filming a vlog in the Tesla car park, picking up new cars, things that I never ever thought would happen, and I'm super grateful. And YouTube has been the best thing that probably ever happened to me. So it's time to say goodbye to the Mercedes. This car has been like my favorite car ever since I've had it. It's going to be a little bit emotional, but this car's been amazing to me. I searched so hard to get this exact model. It was kind of the lights, the sound system, and the cream interior. Couldn't find it anywhere, and I found one that had it, and it was just it was incredible when I finally found it. I remember getting the finance on this car. It was like the best day ever, and then now it's just crazy because I was struggling at one point to get like a car, a laptop, and now when you sort of work hard consistently, things change. Like we got the MacBook, just from the company. We got the Tesla from the company. All of these things are investments. They go back into the company, and it's been a journey. I'm very happy with the black. After all that, I think we made the right choice. I'm a big fan of the wood. I smell wood trim.
So far, so good?
So far, so good. We own the Tesla now, man. So it's time to set up the app. And we're probably going to have to change place in a bit. Went on the app, literally super easy to set up. All you do is you click pair, and then you get this little key card. You get two, one backup, one main one. You just keep this in your wallet as a backup key, and then all you have to do is put it behind the drinks, where the drinks are, and then that's literally the place where it'll unlock the car, and then it'll pair. and then it took about a second, like 5-10 seconds, and it was done. And now we get full access over the car from the phone, and it's our key, which is wicked. Yeah. Oh, here we go.
Oh, first try.
Drive. First ever charging experience, so if you go to a Tesla service station, they might either have a V2 or a V3. V3 is where it goes up to 150 kilowatts. That's fast. That's like
Faster than this. So what kind of range does your battery do?
So on their website it says 360-ish, right? But I think real world mileage maybe 320. But for me, 320 is like a dream.
Is enough, yeah.
Upgrades, oh yeah. So this is the one we're gonna get today, acceleration. So we're gonna drive around once it charges up, and then we're gonna get that thing and just floor it and see how it does. Name your vehicle. Ooh. Comment down below what you think we should name the Tesla. That's it. We'll go get some coffee, warm up. But I've got this, we've got some wings and necessary gravy. So the Tesla is just charged up to 100. So it goes without saying, guys, none of this would be possible without the incredible support of the PAPAFAM. You guys, all 100,000 plus of you, and if you're watching later, it's going to be even more. But none of this would be possible without you guys. So I want to say a massive thank you to all of you who have watched the videos, like, subscribe. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the bell notification icon. And we're going to be bringing loads more content, loads more tutorials, and yeah, we have huge plans for the next year coming up, and it's going to be a hell of a ride. So thank you so much again, PAPAFAM. I love you all, and we're going to enjoy this bad boy right now. Wicked, isn't it? That's such a crazy feeling, honestly. And the thing is, it doesn't slow down, it just keeps climbing. First things first, give the car a blessing. So we're currently at Gravesend Gurdwara. Ideally, it's the best place really to have a blessing for both reaching 100,000 subscribers on YouTube. So thank you to everyone again, and also the best way to bless your car when you get a new car. That's what we love to do. So yeah, my favorite Gurdwara in the UK. It's actually the biggest in the UK as well. So we're gonna go inside and get a blessing done. And yeah, we'll see you guys soon.
नानक नाम चढ़दी कला तेरे भाणे सरबत दा भला आदि पुरख प्रभ पाया वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह।
So our first test of autopilot, but that's crazy. Look, I'm not doing anything right now. Like this would like look at that. Just like takes every bit of effort out of the driving.
Twice as much now.
Yeah. Do you know what, the difference between this and the normal road assistance is, you know, a lot of the cars, they have like lane keep. But this is different to lane keep. This has like, it's called Tesla Vision. So while we're stuck in traffic and the car's driving itself, this is a great chance to plug
Zero to Full Stack Hero. If you want to learn how to code and you have no coding skills, then make sure you check us out at papareact.com. We've got weekly coaching calls, a bunch of cool stuff, and we teach you how you can kill it in the software industry. And if you really want, buy cars like this. So it's a lot of fun, and yeah, the link's gonna be in the description. Almost home now, and the drive has been amazing. The car feels a lot better since when I test drove it. It actually feels a bit more smoother. I don't know if it's just me, like placebo effect, but it just feels like extra smooth now. And because we test drove a performance as well, and this is by far fast enough for what we need. And but we're still going to put a speed boost on. So quiet, and when you pull up, you can't even tell. No, once I get this speed boost, which I'm going to do now, that will be gone. Right, so we're about to do something pretty cool. There is something called the acceleration boost on the Tesla app, and what that does is, if you're inside of a performance Tesla, that's 3 to 3.1 seconds, it'll go 0 to 60, which is super fast. Now this one is really fast, but there's a slight little gap in the beginning where it lacks, and this speed boost is supposed to bring it up. So it goes, and I think it goes to 3.5 seconds, 0 to 60. So we're gonna buy it right now. Is that moving? What I always do is that, yeah. Oh, look, yeah. Oh, I think we're good. Ah, that's it. So chill, and that was standard before, and now it goes to sport. So we have the speed boost, first ever attempt at this, and we're on a safe road right now. There's no cars over here. So 3, 2, 1. Wow! Wow! Jeez! Look. That is crazy, wow, holy shit, man.
That's insane.
That is proper next level, isn't it? With that said, thank you so much for watching, guys. This has been an awesome day. We bought the Model 3 long range, put on a speed boost, and it was a hell of a lot of fun. And I just want to say, before we wrap up, guys, if you enjoy this kind of content, smash the thumbs up button. Helps me know what you guys want to watch, and it helps push the videos out to a lot more people. And as always, if you haven't already, subscribe. And thank you so much to all 100,000 plus of you guys. The PAPAFAM is growing. In 1 year, we have done incredible things. And yeah, up and onwards from here, guys. So with that note, it's your boy Papa React, aka Sunny, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.